Hello everyone, I am Mzungu and today I'm going to tell you or to show you the difference between endothermic process and exothermic process. So still we are in chemistry and today I'm going to show you these two things, how they can differ theoretically and practically. Endo, exo, both are Greek words. Endo means within and exo means out. So when you say endothermic process means energy, heat energy is absorbed in the system from the surrounding, while exothermic process means heat energy is released from the system to the surrounding. So when you say endothermic process means a process or reaction whereby the reactants tend to absorb the temperature or heat energy from the surrounding and form the product. And this tends to lower the temperature of the surrounding area. While exothermic process is just a process or reaction whereby the energy is created by breaking the bonds between the atoms, and this energy can be released in the form of heat, sound, light, or even electricity. Then ores tend to leave the product with a very low amount of energy than the reactants had. Also, inside of enthalpy change in endothermic process, an overall standard enthalpy change is equal to positive because it's absorbed in the temperature, heat energy. While in exothermic process, an overall standard enthalpy change is equal to negative because it gives out the heat energy. So this is how these two things are differ theoretically. So let me show you now how they differ practically. In endothermic process, I'm going to use this ammonium chloride and water. So if I take the temperature now for this ammonium chloride, it is 22 is a room temperature. I'm going to show you when I'm dissolving this solute, the energy, heat energy will drop. So because it came from endothermic process. So let me put water here. So we see now the temperature goes down. It goes down to 8, 7, 5, still goes down. So this to show how endothermic process work. If you have maybe barium hydroxide, you add of here, the temperature will go down even into minus centigrade degree. And show you now exothermic process also how it can be demonstrated by using a practical. I'm going to use this potassium permanganate. This is an organic chemical compound formed by the mixture of two ions, potassium ion and permanganate ion. It's sometimes known as permanganate of potash. It is having the chemical formula of KMnO4. It is dark purple, solid, odorless in its physical state, and when you dissolve in water, the purple solution is formed. It's a very strong oxidizing agent as its chemical properties. So today we can see how it can oxidize the glycerol. I'm going to use the second reagent. It is a glycerol or glycerin. UK they say glycerin in British accent. US they say glycerol in American accent. Tanzania we are saying glycerin. So I'm going to show you how these two things when they react, they can form exothermic reaction. It's somehow dramatic. So you can see here the energy is given out in form of heat, sound, and light. Let's see now. So this glycerol, it's an organic also chemical, organic alcohol formed with a mixture of alcohol and sugar. It is colorless and having the chemical formula of C3H8 and O3, so it contains 3-hydroxyl. So today we're going to see how it can be oxidized. Also, it's a sweetened test used most as a sweeteners in food industry. Also can be used as a treatment for wound and burns because it has the properties of antimicrobial and antiviral. So let's see now how they can form exothermic process. Let me put here, and I'm adding my solvent. So we're waiting to see how they can react and form the exothermic reaction. 5. You can see this is exothermic process. How can be formed? So we can see now energy has released in form of heat, sound, and light. So when I'm touching this vehicle now, it is too cold. This is endothermic process. And this one I'm touching here, it's very hot. So this is to show this is exothermic process. So the difference between endothermic process and exothermic process has been shown here practically and also theoretically. Thank you very much and welcome back to the class again. My name is Dullah Mzungu and I shall continue to give you more content and then to make sure you're understanding chemistry and also English. Thank you very much. Bye bye.